what's up? We're over here at Big Camp in the Osceola National Forest, and I just kind of want to do a little walk around in my truck. First of all, it's a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Got some mods done to it. You can see I got an ARE topper on it. Fits like a dream. Kind of going around the truck. Maxxis Buckshot 2s. In the back, I've got the Bilstein 5125 shocks on the back. I've got a 2-inch Adaleaf down the back. The 5100 Bilsteins up front, all the way up, kind of circling around. Up in the front here, I've got a Smittybilt 9500 winch with a Weston bumper bar. I've got an Oxbeam 32-inch light bar. Up here we have Cascadia 4-wheel drive. I think it's a 95 watt solar panel. I got some cheapo eBay ditch lights. They're 6.5 inches. Going on into the inside, I run a Yaesu FT2900 ham radio. They don't make them anymore. They're like the 2980s or something like that. Really good radio. I highly recommend it. I use Soshi mounts for my cell phone, so I run all my maps. I run the Avenza map as well as the Gia. I've got a Hook Road roof rack on there, and it fits awesome. I've recommended it to a few people. Really good roof rack. The only problem with it is it's not modular. So with that, you have to, if you want to hard mount something, you have to drill holes into it. No big deal, but it's just something you have to do. You can see where I have my antenna back there. I've also got a Maxi Trax 8-foot awning. It's 8 foot by 6 foot. I still haven't actually even pulled that thing out yet. Maybe I'll do that one day. Coming back here, we have a full custom drawer system. I built this all myself. I got the slider from Set Power, and on top of the slider sits a eBay Zocop 44 quart refrigerator. It has worked. I bought it in August of last year. It has worked absolutely flawlessly. Get some of this trash out of here. There goes that's my cot that I bought the other day. In here, full fold out or full pull out, big 10-inch by 28-inch drawer. It's got all my junk in it. Back here we have some different lights. That's for a dome light that also has a red feature, which is nice. And then I've got these 4 lights up under here, which are great for at night when the tailgate's down and you're doing something, you got plenty of light. So I got those wired to, I got these outside two wired to one switch, and then the next switch has the middle 2. So depending on what kind of light you need, obviously you put all 4 of them on with both switches. So those are my switches, and then I got that switch is still empty for future use. I got a little battery gauge that tells me what my voltage is and how my percentages are on my batteries. For batteries, in that big box back there, I have 2 6-volt Trojan golf cart batteries that I have wired in series. On top of that is my RedArc BCDC 1225D charger with a little bus bar or a circuit breaker there that runs all my stuff. I run all my lights, all that good stuff, and a little med kit there that fell down. And then this is an old school pride and joy that we've had in our group for a long time. We call it the stool. It's amazing. If God had to poop out in the woods, he would use the stool. I've been saying that for years. Let's see what else. I've got 16 underbody lights. They run all down the chassis, 3 up in the front, 3 in the back. So when I turn them on, it fully illuminates the bottom, and they're the RBGs, so they have all the different color settings. I'm sure I'm missing stuff. But this is the current configuration as of right now. I'm super happy with it, and I'm having a lot of fun building it and also using it. And as always, to finish it out, crack a beer open, enjoy this beautiful surrounding, hang out for a little bit. Then we're going to go up to the camp, meet up with the fellas, my old hunting group that guys I used to hunt with. They have dinner every night. Tomorrow morning is the first day of general gun hunting season, so they'll be rip roaring and ready to go. We'll go eat dinner with them, and then we'll head back to the house. So that's it. Thanks. We're over here on 237 in the Osceola National Forest, coming down this road, and just came across this, I guess it's a creek crossing that's all flooded out. You can see it flowing through there. It's flowing pretty solidly. I'm by myself, so there's no way I'm going to attempt that. But that's pretty interesting. We'll have to come back one day when it's dry and check it out. I marked it on my map, so we'll come back and check it out when it's a little bit drier and see if we can make it through there.